Can artificial intelligence really change how we live and work? I mean, fundamentally?
Absolutely. According to Dostokope, it's not just about making things more efficient. It's about rethinking how we approach problems and make decisions.
So it's more than just automating tasks. What about things like judgment, especially when AI gives us so many options?
Okay, apparently clarity is key. When outcomes are well defined, it helps us focus and make better decisions rather than getting lost in endless possibilities.
That makes sense. And with AI generating so much content, does creativity even matter anymore?
Right, it's not about originality, but intention. It's about taste and judgment and understanding what's meaningful. That's what really stands out.
Interesting. So, what about closure? AI can keep going and going. How do we know when to stop?
Well, that's the thing. Closure becomes a choice. It's no longer forced upon us. It's about deciding when enough is enough, and it's up to us to set those boundaries.
Okay, this is all fascinating. So, how do businesses actually make this shift? Who needs to be involved?
It starts with leadership. Leaders need to understand AI. They have to engage with it. It is not enough to just delegate it to a team. It requires leader-led learning.
This has been really insightful. It sounds like AI is changing almost everything, from how we work to how we think about ourselves.
Yeah, it's a big shift, focusing on intention, judgment, and ethical considerations. Knowing when to stop and what truly matters, even in a world of endless possibilities.